I thought I was recording this whole time, and I was not. And I was following the FedEx truck in, and I had said a little prayer right before I left. And shoot. Okay, he just set this one down pretty hard. It's so funny, I was following him in, and I meant to record it. Okay. Ouch. Well, I got it in the house. That was really, really hard to do with my messed up back. But I got it. So now I'm going to open it up and check it out. I have yet to see it. And it's a custom color. So let me put this on a tripod and then we'll get started. I'm not sure. Maybe the wheels. Because I got the wheels that you can actually move the harp around easy with. So
show you what's new. We did the tile.
okay, boy, we've had so much traffic. I've been sitting here staring at this box, unable to open it because we've had people coming, and I had to stop, and he had to stop, and he had to stop. So now I'm going to go. This is the harp wheels. Very cool. So this goes underneath the harp so that I can move it around by wheel. So that's really nice. And this must be, this is my tuner key. I don't know, it's something else. Oh, it's pads. Okay, we'll just leave all that in the box. And that is nothing. Okay, so that's done. Now, let's get on to the good part. Woohoo! I'm so excited. I was at the dentist and I was like sitting in the chair saying a prayer. Oh, I hope that my harp comes as I'm driving down the road. He pulls in right in front of me. And sure enough, it happened, you guys. It literally happened. This box is wet too. Shoot. But anyway, I went to hit record, and I think I did not hit record. So it wasn't going. And then I ended up turning it on after he was in the driveway. Okay, I gotta get this side. Let me turn it up again. Oh, this is heavy. And I got a screwed up back, so, okay. Let's see. Okay, I think I got it on all sides, but I'm sure I missed a spot because that would be way too easy, right? Let's see, it might be the side where I missed a spot. Yep. There we go. Drum roll. Oh. The guy said, well, it might be there early next week. I'm like, I'm in Michigan, you're in Minnesota. It can't be that long. Okay, there's the Pink Panther on my box. Oh, I need the knife again. They really sealed it up good. I don't want to get near my harp. Okay. And there's the case. Oh my God. Oh, that color is amazing. It's amazing, you guys. Okay. Let me take it out and move the box. Okay, here's the moment I've been waiting for. I got a vivid color from Musicmakers. They have something called their Vivid Color line where you can choose a color, but you can also choose custom colors. So I asked for a dark green. They took all the yellow out of the green and added some black to it to make it dark. And then I got the quilted maple finish, or the soundboard. Wow. Okay, but where are the feet? Those must be the feet. And I need to screw them in. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I'm gonna take this over to my rug and lay it down on its back. It is gorgeous. Oh my God, is it gorgeous? I'm so excited. Okay. Can I just say, did I say wow? Okay, let me put the feet on it and get it tuned up, and then I'll be back. I have to say though, I've been playing on my full sickle and these strings are further apart than what I'm used to. So, oh, a couple things I want to show you guys about the harp is that I did this. I got the pickup put on, which is really nice. And then I also got the lights put in. So, and then like I was saying, this front portion is a quilted maple soundboard, so it's got some really cool grain in it. I was thinking of going all green, and then Jake had said that some people complain that with the dark soundboard, it makes it harder to see the strings. And I thought, with my eyes, I don't need any more trouble seeing strings. I'm having a hard enough time as it is. But I just love this. It is so shiny and gorgeous and deep. Oh my God, I can't believe it. It's beautiful. Now this is a 33 string, not 34, so it doesn't have the high A string up here at the top that 34 string harps have. But I was talking to some people, including Stephanie Clausen, who is a terrific harpist. In fact, I'm going to be starting private lessons with her online very soon. But she owns one of these harps. They're made out of cherry, and hers is the natural color, I believe, or maybe she went with the amber. There's so many vivid colors to choose from, you guys. Now, the green that they show online has a lot more yellow in it. It's almost a lime green. It's lighter in the center, and then it gets dark up on the edges. Now, this one does too. It's kind of hard to see it, but it does get, I'm trying to get back here. Here, let me turn my camera much easier. There we go. Up at the top, it is darker. And on the back it is darker, but then as you get down here it gets lighter, a little bit lighter, and then it gets darker again near the bottom. So anyway, I also got the pickup put in on the back. I believe it's a double, so it's got 2 transducers in it, and it's got the, I never know how to say it, is it Kamak or Kamak levers on it, which come standard. And of course the tuning wrench, which is one of these styles, and it tunes from the other side than a harpsichord does. I got the gig bag, and then I got the wheels. Let me show you those again, and I'll show you a little bit. Actually, it'll probably be easier if I just link to the video on how they use these. The harp is actually pretty light. I believe they said 17 pounds. If I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong on that. I'll put a correction in if I'm wrong. Okay, so I think I've tuned this harp. Well, this is the next day. I played this song yesterday, and it sounded so horrible, and I was having trouble with the finger spacing, but now I'm used to the finger spacing a little more. The only problem is I've tuned my harp 4 times in probably the last 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. I have to keep tuning certain strings, and I know I just have to put up with it until the strings settle in and everything, but I'm telling you, it drives me crazy. I don't have perfect pitch, but I have good relative pitch, and I can't stand it when a string is out of tune, and I know something's going to be flat. I'm sure of it. So please just know I have tuned this and tuned this and tuned this, so bear with me if it doesn't sound perfect. This is a song by Anne Crosby Gaudet, and she just posted this to her website recently. It is called Lilac and Lavender. You're going to make it hard for me to play. Yes. We'll start this again. I have a doggy helping me. Ooh, out of tune. So that's my first song for you on my new harp. Hope you enjoyed it.